All right, guys, good morning. Today is the day of the show. As you can see, we cleaned up the Z yesterday, came out really good. And Nick is also bringing his new car out, a Toyota MR2 Spider, which is really, really cool. I'm definitely gonna get some footage of that today, but I'm gonna get some footage of the whole car show. If you see your car in here and you went to the show, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right to it. All right, guys, so that's going to wrap up the Yukon Car Show of 2022. Had a really fun time. A lot of interest in the 350Z. A lot of people poking their heads underneath to check out the turbo. And it was just fun to see everybody out and about, you know, not being scared this year and just kind of getting back into the vibe of things. So if you guys saw your car on the video, go ahead, comment, sound off in the comments, and I will see you on the next video.